Di usia 100 tahun kemerdekaan Indonesia, kita akan mewujudkan visi Indonesia menjadi negara Nusantara berdaulat, maju, dan berkelanjutan. Mimpi dan cita-cita kita ini akan tercapai dengan kerja keras, inovasi, dan terobosan.
Education is the most important aspect in life. As a millennial generation, education is something that must be pursued and developed. The path of education must be prepared from an early age, remembering that every year our nation will face various complex problems, both from an economic, political, and other aspects. However, how can our generation face all of this if education in this country is soaring, both in terms of teacher quality, the lack of equal distribution of school in Indonesia, and the low literacy level of Indonesian society, especially children. The current rise in issues regarding the golden generation of 2045 gives hope to the millennial generation to prepare an educated generation to face increasingly complex world problems in preparing in education generation. Aspects are needed that support this. One of them is reading skill. Problem in educational institutions that hinder student literacy. Number 1, lack of book in school. The availability of adequate books is crucial in improving literacy skill, as books provide access for students to develop reading and critical thinking skill. With a limited number of books, students do not have sufficient access to develop literacy skill, which can hinder their ability to improve their literacy skill. Number 2, lack of parental attention. One reason for low literacy in children is the lack of parental attention to children's reading activities. The lack of parental attention to children's reading activities can lead to children being less stimulated to read and learn. This can have a negative impact on children's literacy development, which can ultimately affect their learning abilities and academic performance. Number 3, lack of quality educators. Educators who lack adequate knowledge and skills in their field can hinder children's ability to develop literacy skill. They may not be able to help children develop reading, writing, and critical thinking skill. As a result, children may not receive effective guidance in understanding the subject matters and honing their reading and writing skills. So, what is the right solution to this problem? Number 1, increasing learning motivation. Increasing learning motivation can be done by raising students' awareness of the importance of learning and their awareness of their potential. Consequently, students will be more motivated to learn and strive to improve their literacy skill independently. Additionally, providing rewards and recognition for students' literacy achievement can also be an additional incentive for them to continue learning and improving their literacy skill. Number 2, build a literacy culture at home. Parents can create a supportive literacy environment at home by providing interesting books, reading stories before bedtime, or engaging in discussions about readings together. Parents can set an example by demonstrating good reading habits and interests in front of their children, stimulating their interest in reading. Number 3, improving facilities and infrastructure in school. Having a library complete with a variety of interesting reading materials that suit student interests and providing a comfortable and quiet reading space at school and make it a pleasant place for students to learn and read. Number 4, school literacy program. Literacy program integrates into the curriculum that includes various activities such as structured reading lesson, story or essay reading, group discussions about reading, and creative project involving students' literacy skill. This program can also involve the use of technology to exchange student digital literacy skill. Thus, students will become accustomed to various forms of literacy and be encouraged to continue developing their literacy skill. In facing literacy challenge in the era of advanced Indonesia 2045, awareness of the importance of cultural literacy in reading needs to be increased both among children, teaching staff, and parents. Parents and educators play an important role in improving children's literacy through reading habits and providing positive example of a reading culture. Collaboration between the government, school, and society is also very necessary to create an environment that supports a reading culture, so that we can overcome the literacy challenge of reading culture and Indonesia can be prepared a generation that is more creative and competitive in the era of advanced Indonesia 2045. I'm Alvio Chandra, and that's the presentation about literacy challenge of reading culture in the era of advanced Indonesia 2045.